Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Okay, so today we're going to cover a super easy TikTok dance. It's Rocc Climbing. I actually thought it was called Box to Trot because they say Box to Trot. Anyways, even though it's an easy dance, I still think that a tutorial is needed because there are a lot of people who know how to do the moves, but they don't do it with the right flavor, yeah? So they're missing those small details. Now, this dance is basically just this move here, right? Open up, close, open up, close, yeah? And I move. You can do whatever you want. You can do flat foot like this, but you can also, like, even though you don't see it, put your weight on your heel, yeah? So right now I'm exaggerating, right? On my heel. Yeah, but just do it without actually lifting them off the ground like that, all right? So like that, boom, 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 boom. Now an important thing to do is to move your body slightly from side to side. You don't have to exaggerate it. You can do that if you want to, but just don't be here in the middle. This looks a bit stiff, right? You wanna move it slightly, boom, 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 boom. Now another thing, you don't have to do it, but like some people lean to the front, yeah? Some people make it more laid back, so they go A, but they still lean from side to side, yeah? They're not just like this, right? So either boom, 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 or lay back, A. Up to you. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. And then there are the arms. Basically, you just want to do whoom, 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 whoom. Super easy. I even think that the creators are doing sometimes without the arms. So, hey, all right. But most people do it with the arms. All right. So once you've practiced this enough, what you want to do is add the timing and also the extra details. So like looking at the clock, whoom, ba ba. All right. Now let me explain. So what you want to do is you want to go lean to the left, right, and then double left. Yeah, so when I say double, I go left, left. All right, so I go out, in, out to the same side. So let's just try. Boom, boom, double here. 5. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then practice with me. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, left. Try that again with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, left. Now from here, what you want to do is go again to the right, continue, left, and then right. Now when you do this double right here, on the second one, you want to go watch, all right? So let me just show you. This was the beginning. Boom, boom. Now we continue to that side. Boom, first one, and then second one. Look at the watch. Try it with me. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go this side, boom, boom, and then continue to the other side, boom, second one. Okay? We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, and left, and right, left, right, and watch. Try that with me again. 5, 6, 7, 8, left and right and left, left and right and left, right, look. Okay, feel free to practice on your own some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on, all right? So from the beginning, it's double here, then it's right, left, double, right. Now from here, you just want to continue, boom, to the left now, and then to the right. And then from here, you want to go. You can either continue this move here, or you can just go hands down here, your chest, and then you want to go box, chop, all right? Box the chop, that's what this is. Box the chop. So hands down, box the chop. Let me just rewrite from the tip to the top. You want to go left, right, left, left, and right, left, right, right. Now left, right, hands, box the chop. All right, so before we start practicing the whole thing, let me just show you the timing to the music. Okay, so it goes something like this. Bounce in the whip, pop the box and drop the top. Boom, it's gonna be enough. If you watch the clock, you cannot put your hands down. Back to chop. Okay, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce in the whip, pop the box, then drop the top. Boom, it's gonna be enough. Then if you watch the clock, you can never put your hands down. Box the chop. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce in the whip, pop the box, drop the top. Boom, it's gonna be a long day. The clock, you can never put your hands down. Box the chop. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo, okay? It goes something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce in the whip, box and drop the top. Boom, it's gonna be day if you watch the clock. You can never put your hands down. Big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online learning community with thousands of classes within all kinds of topics. So obviously there's dance, but there's also music. If you want to learn how to play the guitar, if you want to learn how to be a gardener, business skills, you name it, they have it. I do have to say that you would have to pay in order to join and take these classes, but I don't know, it's kind of obvious to me because it's a platform made just for learning and there are benefits like no ads, etc. Anyways, there's an offer right now for new users, so the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial. I will personally also be taking a class called YouTube Script, Shoot and Edit by Marcus Brown Lee. Obviously, I do know one or two things about YouTube, but I think the good thing about this class is that it takes you through the whole process from A to Z, so I might still learn a lot of things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.